How to use enhanced iMessage encryption in iOS 18.3. Firstly, open Settings on your device. Go to your Apple ID. In your Apple ID, scroll down. Now select the option Contact Key Verification. Make sure to turn on this option called Verification in iMessage. Now a menu like this will appear. At the bottom, select the option Continue. If you want to know how it works, then click on Learn More. Now you will land to a web page. Here you will see all the information and details about how iMessage contact key verification works. In the second section, you can see a detailed info about this process. It is basically a security feature designed to protect your private conversation from potential threats. When you enable the contact key verification, then you can tap on the contact's name in iMessage, after which you can view the contact verification code and compare it with your contact. If the codes match, the conversation is secure. This feature is particularly useful for people who require strong communication privacy like activists, journalists, or public figures. That's all for today. Thank you.